Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to flip the carpet. So what I'm going to show you how to do is actually pull the carpet back to 1, see what's underneath the carpet, and 2, to fix anything. Let's say your tack strips came loose, or in this case some seam tape just happened to be peeled up. I'm going to show you how to take care of that. So if you have tack strips run around the outside of the carpet, we'll use a knee kick and you'll go over to it. Just give a nice little kick and then peel back on this excess carpet here. Just peel it right up and you can get to what's underneath. You flip it back, replace any tack strips that need to be fixed or anything like that. Now let's say that you need to do some retaping on your carpet. We'll go over to the corner, pull it back, go about halfway, get your tape, roll it about 1 inch from the wall, after you have your tape rolled out, go ahead and remove the cover to expose the sticky side. Then we'll take our carpet, get a little bit of air under there, and roll it back into place and firmly press. And then you can go and do the other side of the room. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching and good luck with this project.